Hey there, this is Patricia Vargas of patriciavargas.com, where I teach you practical guides and tutorials on how to sell your art online. And today I'm going to show you a cool trick that you can do within iMovie to up-level your videos. So with iMovie, you are actually able to display two items side by side, and it actually took me quite a while to figure out how to do that. I didn't know that that was even possible in here, but it's actually quite simple to do. So here is a video that I'm currently editing for my art business, Prima Studio, and I'm going to add this image here into this talking head video. So what I'm going to do is click on the image, and then I'm going to drag it to where I want to position it with where I'm talking at. So after you've positioned it, you'll see that there is now a new icon on the top here where it has two little squares. And now this allows you to decide how you want to display this. So if you click on it, it will give you a drop-down list with options of how you want it to display. So the cutaway is if you're talking and then it cuts right back into you talking, but it keeps the audio. Then you can do split screen, and you can change the position left, right, top, bottom. That is an awful thumbnail of me. And then you can also do picture in picture, so it just puts a little tiny picture on the top, and then you can even resize it to whatever size you want, and you can move it to wherever you would like it to go, and you can even add a little bit of style to it. So whatever you end up deciding on, it will allow you to make your videos look a little bit more professional. Thank you again for watching. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to hear more from me on how to sell your art online with practical guides and tutorials, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.